Firstly, thank you for contacting Clyde Property and inviting me into your home. For nearly 30 years, we have gained an unrivaled reputation for delivering exceptional results for all of our clients. Our highly skilled and driven approach has evolved over the years, and this commitment was recognised recently with us being awarded gold at the prestigious Times and Sunday Times Property Awards. Clyde Property is now officially Scotland's #1 agency. Across Scotland, our 11 branches are open 7 days a week with our phones manned by Clyde personnel until 8 p.m. every day. These extended opening hours, in our opinion, are crucial in ensuring that we are available when our clients need us and when viewers wish to arrange appointments to see our properties. Last year, 77% of all our viewing appointments were booked or carried out after 5 p.m. on weekdays or at weekends. Our experienced and enthusiastic team make regular contact with our clients to keep them fully informed and advised of any viewing feedback, market updates and developing trends. Our revolutionary My Clyde facility gives you unrestricted 24-hour access to your actual property file, anytime from anywhere in the world, keeping you updated with the progress of your let at a time that is convenient to you. Again, another unique advantage of Clyde. For us, first impressions and presentation are absolute key. We are regarded as innovators in our field, and in much the same way as I am connecting with you now, we embrace the latest new technology to market our properties as effectively as possible. Professional photography, floor plans, high quality brochures, LED window displays and our unique HD movie tours including aerial drone footage all ensure your home will stand out from the crowd. Our own intuitive, eye-catching website is regarded as the best in the business. Here users can browse and download brochures and home reports for all available homes across our branch network, create a new property alert, requests, viewings and discuss any queries about any home direct with the local team handling your let. In addition, we use the best UK property portals to market your home to as many people as possible as quickly as possible. Our forward-thinking approach and proactive staff are dedicated to providing you with the highest level of customer care, always working to achieve the best results for your home and to get you moving as efficiently and as stress-free as possible. I firmly believe our Shawlands team offer the most effective and all-encompassing estate agency service available in your area, and we'd be delighted to be of help. If you have any further queries or would like to go ahead and get moving with Clyde Property, please feel free to contact me via the details on this card. Thanks for watching.